Hello learners, you're watching my channel TeacherSneha, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to solve algebraic equations. To explain you that, I have written already a question over here which says work out the value of x in equation given below. Equation given below is 2x plus 9 is equal to 15. In this equation, we have a variable x which is with a constant 2. So 2x is the algebraic term which has x as the variable which we are going to work out the value of. Whenever you have to work out value of x, the rule is very simple. You have to keep x alone on the left hand side of the equation and shift the rest of the numbers to the right hand side of the equation. So over here we will keep 2x as it is, and what we will do is we will shift this plus 9 to the other side first. Whenever plus 9 goes to the other side, what happens is it will change its sign and it will become minus 9. The simple logic behind this is that we have to remove this plus 9 from left hand side. To remove plus 9 from left hand side, what we have to do is we have to subtract 9 from both the sides. So that is why technically we say that this plus 9 goes to the other side and becomes negative. It's not actually going to the other side and becoming negative. It's that you have to do negative 9 on both the side. But just in simpler terms, we say that this plus 9 goes to the other side and becomes negative 9. So for right now, just understand this much, that we have to shift this plus 9 to the other side, make it negative, so it becomes 15 minus 9. What happens next is 2x is equal to, now we will solve this 15 minus 9. So what is 15 minus 9? We get an answer 6. Now we need to work out value of x. As I told you, x needs to be alone. The rest of the numbers you have to shift to the other side. Now look at number 2 over here. What is it doing with x? 2x. That means it is 2 times x. 2 is multiplying with x. That is why opposite of that will happen when it has to go to the other side. So opposite of that means multiplying ka opposite is divide. So that's why x is equal to 6 divided by 2. And the answer after that, what I'm going to get is x is equal to 3. This is how I have solved this particular algebraic equation. So we have started today learning how to solve algebraic equations. The first example question which we have seen, the solution is there right in front of your screen. For your more practice, similar questions like this will now come on your screen. Pause the video, solve those questions in your book. I will be also uploading the solutions to those equations in this video itself. So you can pause the video and check your solutions if your answers are correct. Stay tuned, we are going to solve more algebraic equations in upcoming videos. Till then, bye bye, wish you a very happy new year.